Motors are used in various fields. However, the complexity of motor control is an issue when developing applications using motors. Renesas' MCK-RA6T2 is a development kit featuring the RA6T2 group, which is a product for motor control in the widely scalable ARM-based 32-bit MCU-RA family, supporting the evaluation and development of customers' motor control applications. The kit comes with the hardware components necessary for evaluation and development of motor control and can be put into operation immediately after opening the package. It also has an onboard debugger circuit that allows you to write sample code downloaded from the web for quick evaluation. In addition, the Motor Development Support tool enables intuitive setting of motor control items, tuning and real-time analysis, thereby improving development efficiency for customers. The MCK-RA6T2 can easily evaluate permanent magnet synchronous motors and supports 1 shunt or 3 shunt current detection and overcurrent detection functions. It includes the hardware necessary for motor control, such as a CPU board with RA6T2 suitable for motor control applications, inverter board, communication board, BLDC motor, and various cables, allowing you to start evaluating and developing motor control immediately after opening the package. A quick start sample project is pre-written in the RA6T2 of this kit, and you can immediately check the motor operation by connecting the motor to the included board and supplying power via USB. The CPU board is equipped with an onboard debugger circuit, allowing you to write and evaluate software on the RA6T2 without purchasing additional tools. By downloading the sample code for the motor provided on the Renesas website and connecting it to a PC via a USB cable, you can write and evaluate software other than the Quick Start sample project. When evaluating motor control, connect the communication board to the PC. This board can be electrically isolated so you can safely evaluate and debug motor control. In addition, debugging is facilitated by using the Motor Control Development Support tool, Renesas Motor Workbench, via this communication board. This tool enables debugging through automatic adjustment of motor control parameters by the tuner function and real-time monitoring of control variables by the analyzer function. In addition to this, Renesas provides QE for motor, which supports the entire motor application development flow, enabling one-stop motor application development. In addition to the intuitive configuration of motor control requirements on the GUI, the Renesas Motor Workbench can be launched from this tool for tuning and real-time monitoring, enabling seamless use of the motor solution tools. This enables efficient application development and contributes to customers' time to market. For more information, please refer to the Renesas website. Here you will find MCK-RA6T2 ordering information, a user's manual quick start guide, the Renesas Motor Development Support tools, sample code, schematics, BOM lists, and other related materials that are useful for your development needs.